Want to make shakes like these? First, go to Effects. Search up Shake. Click the first one. Place it at the start of the clip. Press the left arrow 4 times and move the clip. Now, split it. Add a keyframe at the start. Set to Speed 0, Strength 0. At the end, set to Speed 50, Strength 35. Go to Animations and apply Cubic In. Now, go to the start of the next clip. Press the left arrow 4 times. Split the clip and go to the start of this effect. Set the start to Speed 60, Strength 85. Set the end to Speed 0, Strength 0. Go to Animations and apply Cubic Out. Now, duplicate and add it under this shake. And extend the keyframe and shake to the left. Now, duplicate the first shake one more time. Add it into the shakes again. This time, move it right once. Now just copy it and apply it to all clips. Let's move on to wide angle. Find the middle of the first clip. Then, add the effect wide angle. Now, go to the middle of the next clip. Split it and go to the start of it. Add a keyframe and set to Strength 0. Add another in the middle and set to 100. Finally, add another at the end and set to 0. Next, go to Animations and set to Cubic In. And set the other part to Cubic Out. Now just copy it and apply it to all clips. Final result.